Impromptu, all the way from Pelo Hall. Pelo, how you doing?
I'm great, thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. You know the drill, right?
I really like it.
Okay, you dip your hand in there, you pick one, and then I tell you, I read it to you twice. The second time, your time starts. You have 1 minute to wow this wonderful audience. Okay. Your topic is keeping fit. Keeping fit.
Robert Kiyosaki once said, we're all stuck in the rat race. Every morning we wake up and we continue to live in the world where we do not understand why we are there. We do not have time to take care of our bodies. We rush and have a gulp of milk for breakfast. We have rice for lunch. And probably we have something like bread and egg as students in the rest of Ibadan for dinner. We pay no attention to our bodies. And then weeks to the examination, we all start to fall sick and call it exam fever. But the truth is, it is not. If you are not going to hit right, the least you can do is exercise right. Your body is what you are. You might have a strong mind, but if your body is too weak to carry that strength of your mind, then you are nothing. So please, ladies and gentlemen, you're all bright for coming here today, and I can all see that you plan for Nigeria to move forward. But we cannot move forward if your body cannot carry us forward. So keep it.